Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon. I am Iman Kaba, and I am a grade 6 student at Tarbiyah School. It is my immense pleasure and honor to introduce to you Honorable Senator Greg Lavelle. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Honorable Senator Greg Lavelle.
Thank you very much. Good afternoon, everybody. Pleasure to be here. I love to see all these kids. I talked to some of you earlier. Where are my homeschooled guys and girls that I talked to before? All right. Where do you guys go to school? All right, good deal. Good field trip. Thank you for coming to Dover. It's important that you do it. Again, I appreciate the opportunity to talk today and address everyone. I believe that we live in the best country in the world. It is a country with unlimited opportunity, and it is understandably a beacon to the world. The foundation to our success, and it is a success that comes with its challenges, is our federal and state constitutions. I swore an oath to these documents, as those do who come to America to become citizens of the United States of America. The freedom to choose and worship our religion of choice is one of the most important foundations of our country and state. It was our freedom to worship freely that led our first colonial settlers to take a treacherous journey across the Atlantic to America. America would not be the strong nation that it is without the core freedoms that our Constitution protects. Not only the freedom to worship, but the freedom to gather as we have done here today. As important as those freedoms are, there is another American principle that is equally important. The idea that we're all in this together, and that what unites us is far stronger than what divides us. Delaware is stronger because of the ethnic and religious communities that are woven into the fabric of our state, and we should celebrate the contributions of every law-abiding citizen of this state, and we do that and affirm that again here today. If we are able to focus on the things that bring us together, our families, our communities, and our shared freedoms and responsibilities, we can move Delaware forward to an even brighter future. And I want to be part of that future. And again, I so much appreciate the opportunity to address you today.